Do you think your flood insurance is good because your bank required it? You might want to double check, because the truth is, bank-required flood insurance might leave you exposed. Very exposed. Let me explain why. Most banks only require $250,000 in FEMA coverage. But that number? It hasn't changed in decades. What if your home costs $385,000 to rebuild? That's a $135,000 gap. And guess who's paying it? It gets worse. Unless you ask for it, your policy likely doesn't cover your basement items, detached garage, temporary housing, high-end upgrades, or even your contents. You could be insured on paper, but underinsured in reality. Let me share a quick story. When I bought my first FEMA flood policy, I thought I was covered, but I wasn't. No contents coverage, no understanding of elevation certificates, and I didn't know the difference between replacement cost and cash value. That mistake, it cost me. It's also why I started the Flood Insurance Guru. Now, FEMA's Risk Rating 2.0 is changing the game. It's lowering premiums for some people, but also lowering coverage. That's the problem. People think they're saving money, but they're actually more vulnerable than ever. So what should you do? Here are 3 steps to protect yourself. Step 1, review your current policy. Don't assume the bank has your back. Step 2, find out your home's true rebuild cost, not the market value, the cost to actually rebuild. Step 3, book a personalized policy review. Talk to someone who understands both FEMA and private options. Still think you're safe just because your mortgage doesn't require flood insurance? Think again. FEMA maps are outdated. Flash floods are rising, especially in places like Arizona. 25% of all claims happen outside high-risk areas. If you're confused by FEMA's policies, if you don't know what your coverage includes, we can help. Book your personalized flood policy review today and make sure you're protected.